Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the lock screen on your MacBook Air. This tutorial will work with any other MacBook. This is a quick and easy process, and it can be a great way to customize your Mac. To change the lock screen on your MacBook Air, you'll need to open the System Preferences app. You can do this by clicking on the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and selecting System Settings. Once you're in the System Settings app, click on the Lock Screen icon. Let's talk a bit about the screen lock options. First of all, we need to say something. In macOS 16, you cannot set a different lock screen image. The screen lock image is the one from the wallpaper section. I have made a video explaining how you can change the screen lock image. Check the description of the video. Let's talk about the screen lock options. The lock screen settings are divided into 4 sections. Start screensaver when inactive. This option controls how long your Mac will stay awake before the screensaver starts. You can choose to have the screensaver start immediately, after a few minutes, or after an hour. Turn display off on battery when inactive. This option controls how long your Mac's display will stay on before turning off when it's running on battery power. You can choose to have the display turn off immediately, after a few minutes, or after an hour. Turn display off on power adapter when inactive. This option controls how long your Mac's display will stay on before turning off when it's plugged into a power adapter. You can choose to have the display turn off immediately, after a few minutes, or after an hour. Require password after screensaver begins or display is turned off. This option will activate the password after a few minutes. You can select how much time this option will apply. In addition to these settings, you can also customize the following aspects of your lock screen. Show message when locked. You can type a message that will appear on your lock screen. This can be a helpful way to let people know who you are or what you're doing. Login windows show. You can choose how will the user account be displayed on your lock screen. You can have a list of users or name and password. Show password hint. You can enter a password hint that will be displayed if you forget your password. That's it. This is how you can change the lock screen on your MacBook. You've now successfully changed the lock screen on your MacBook Air. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.